sixth page in our Module 3 packet talks about subtracting integers. So this uses the same idea as when you are adding integers. You're just looking at the steps to the problem a little bit differently on your number line. You still have your number line with 0, negative integers to the left, positive integers to the right. You have 3, take away 11 as one example in your 6th page of your packet. Negative 4 minus 6 as another example. Negative 11 minus 0. Negative 6 minus negative 6. So we're going to take a look at these 4 examples from that page. The directions for that page are to complete 20 out of the 30 problems. So you only have to choose 20. We're doing 4 together. So do a little math and think about how many problems you have left. You also can draw a number line on your own packet to help you like we have in this video. Our starting point is always the same, the first number in the problem. So for our first example, we're starting at 3. And we're taking away 11, which means we're going to the left, just like our negative integers are to the left. We're decreasing something, so we're going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 3 take away 11 is negative 8. Our next example is negative 4 take away 6. Let's just erase our previous work. Think about your starting point, negative 4. You're still taking away 6, so you're decreasing, going to the left 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your endpoint is negative 10. So negative 4 minus 6 is negative 10. Now, if we're thinking about this in terms of money once again, we have negative $4 in our bank account. We accidentally spend $6 more. Now our account is $10 in the negative. For our first one, we had $3. We spent $11. So now we're $8 in debt. We're $8 negative. Our third example, you don't really have to use a number line because you don't really have a direction. You have a starting point, which is negative $11, but you're subtracting nothing. So if you're not spending any money, you're not earning any money, you're still going to have your starting point of negative $11 or negative 11. Our next one is a little challenging because it has a double negative. Our double negative is here, our negative and our negative 6. Now, our little trick was kind of that it turns into the opposite. Like how opposites attract when you have magnets, your double negative gives you a positive. It tells you the opposite direction when you have 2 negatives in a row. So you're really thinking negative 6 plus 6 because your 2 negatives are turning into a positive. It's telling you to increase 6, not decrease 6. So we have negative 6 as our starting point. Starting point is the same. Our direction is the only thing that's different. We're adding 6. If I have negative 6 and I add 6, where do I end up? 0. That is a 0 pair. It's called the additive inverse. Use these examples in this video to help you with that page on subtracting integers in your packet. Please let us know if you have any questions.